Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem faced by video editors when trying to concatenate GoPro videos seamlessly using FFmpeg. The issue arises when attempting to merge a trimmed video with the original one, resulting in an error message related to incompatible tags. Quite the pickle, huh? Now, let's dive into the solution. The key lies in correctly mapping the tracks in the trim video to ensure compatibility. By adjusting the mapping in the trimming command to include the gpmd track correctly as 0:2 instead of 0:3, and adding the tag parameter for the gpmd track explicitly, you can avoid codec parameter conflicts when concatenating the videos later. Remember to keep the concatenation command unchanged for a smooth merging process. In summary, to seamlessly concatenate trimmed GoPro videos without encountering tag compatibility issues in FFmpeg, ensure correct track mapping and tag parameters in the trim video. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a flawless merge video, retaining all necessary metadata. Good luck with your video editing endeavors, and may your videos be as smooth as a buttery pan shot. Happy editing! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your favorite video editing hack. Cheers!